In this session, we are going through some distributed system examples which you are already familiar, so that you can have an idea about how complex the system environment is, and also what are the design issues and challenges we have to face while we design a new distributed system. In the last session, we have defined a distributed system as a system in which the hardware or software components located at networked computers, and they work for a common goal, and they communicate and coordinate their actions only by passing messages. That was the definition of a distributed system. So now let us go through some examples of contemporary distributed system to illustrate the role of distributed systems, and also to feel the diversity of these associated applications. Let us take two different environments of distributed systems. One is web search, and the second one is massively multiplayer online games, that is MMOG. So let us go through each one in detail. First of all, the web search. And we know that web search has emerged as a major growth industry in the last decade, right? And the web search engine indexes the entire contents of the World Wide Web. So that's the main task of the searching process. And we know that the contents of the web includes a wide range of information styles, like it can be multimedia, web pages, or books, etc. Whatever may be, lot of styles of information will be there. So indexing all this is a very complex task. Adding to this complexity, we have billions of web pages and also trillions of unique web addresses. All these makes this indexing a very tedious task. And also most of the search engines analyze the entire web content before doing some sophisticated operations or processing on this enormous database. So this task itself represents a major challenge for distributed system design. Now let us analyze the Google's contribution for this web search. Google, whom we can call as the market leader in web search technology, has put a significant effort into the design of sophisticated distributed system to support the search. So this can be claimed as one of the largest and most complex distributed system installation in the history of computing, and we can just examine this how this Google contributed to the effective search in web. So these are the main highlights of this Google's contribution. First one is it contributed to the physical infrastructure itself, that is an underlying physical infrastructure consisting of very large number of networked computers located at different data centers all around the world. Google has such a setup. And second one, it has developed its own file system for this web search that is called as Google's file system. So this distributed file system designed to support very large files and also heavily optimized for the search purposes. And third, a well-structured storage system has been developed for this search. It provides a fast access to very large data sets, and also introduced a lock system which offers functions such as distributed locking and agreement. And finally, it again contribute to the developing a separate programming model that supports very large parallel and distributed computations across the underlying infrastructure. So giving contribution or giving sophisticated touch in each and every layer of this web search, Google made this search a very fast and effective process. Now coming to the second application to be discussed, that is massively multiplayer online games or MMOG. Very large number of users interact through the internet with a persistent virtual world. Just for example, we have a lot of games. You're already familiar. I'm taking one example as Sony's EverQuest. Such virtual world is having very complex playing arena. And what about the number of players? Say a system is able to support over 50,000 simultaneous online players. So the engineering of MMOGs is a major challenge for distributed system technologies, especially because of the need for fast response. Thus, to preserve the user experience, also There's a need for real time propagation of events to create a consistent view of the shared world. So, this can be claimed as an excellent example of the challenges facing by the modern distributed system designers. A number of solutions have been proposed for the design of MMOG. Just for example, in case of EVE Online game, it utilizes a client-server architecture where a single copy of the entire virtual world will be maintained on a centralized server, and this is accessed by all the client programs running on player's console. So, how to support a very large number of clients by a single server? That is the question here. So, for accommodating this much large number of clients, the server will be a complex entity which consisting of a cluster architecture, that is hundreds of computer nodes together form the centralized server. So obviously this centralized architecture helps in managing the virtual world, and since only a single copy is maintained, the consistency is always maintained well. Now the task is to ensure fast response through optimizing network protocols and ensuring a rapid response to incoming events. And some other MMOGs adopt some more distributed architecture where the system is partitioned across a number of servers and the servers may be geographically distributed. And users is dynamically allocated to a particular server based on the current usage pattern and also based on the network delays. So this style is adopted by AwaQuest and is we can say that these are naturally extensible or also because we can easily add more servers as their user requirement increases. And so most of the commercial systems adopts one of these two technologies. Anyway, another possibility is there which is not based on client server principle but adopt completely decentralized approach based on peer to peer technology. In this case, every participant contributes its resources both in terms of storage and processing to accommodate the game. That is the third option. So in the next session we can see what are the different challenges faced by this distributed system design. Thank you.